Here in the low-lying heart of Europe is a land born from a constant dialogue between humanity and the elements. Welcome to the Netherlands, where windmills grace the horizon and tulips paint the fields in vibrant color. This is a nation where human ingenuity has not just coexisted with nature, but has actively shaped it, reclaiming land from the sea and weaving cities with canals. The Dutch story is one of resilience, creativity, and a unique relationship with water, visible in its art, architecture, and people. Over the next 10 minutes, we'll journey through serene waterways, colorful fields, and dynamic cities. Join me as we explore the very best of the Dutch travel experience, a world of canals, culture, and extraordinary color. Our journey begins in Amsterdam, a city that seems to float on water. Its iconic canals dug in the 17th century are the city's lifeblood, lined with elegant bridges and tall, narrow houses that whisper stories of a golden age. Houseboats and cyclists animate the city's gentle rhythm, while waterside cafes invite you to pause and soak in the view. The museum plain is Amsterdam's cultural heart, home to the Rijksmuseum and Van Gogh Museum, sanctuaries of Dutch artistic genius. The Jordaan's narrow streets and De Pijp's bustling markets reveal the city's diverse creative spirit. From the poignant Anne Frank house to lively public squares, Amsterdam rewards curiosity at every turn. Here, history and modernity blend seamlessly, creating a city that is both enchanting and ever-evolving. Whether you're drifting along a canal or wandering cobbled lanes, Amsterdam is a perfect beginning to our Dutch adventure. It's a city that invites exploration and rewards every moment spent. Let's set sail on its shimmering waters. Beyond the city lies the Dutch countryside, where spring transforms the land into a living mosaic of color. Keukenhof, the Garden of Europe, bursts with millions of hand-planted tulips, hyacinths, and daffodils, nature's most dazzling display. The air is sweet with fragrance, and every path reveals a new palette of vibrant hues. Surrounding Keukenhof, the Bollenstreek's commercial fields stretch in perfect stripes, an abstract painting come to life. Cycling these flat, scenic routes immerses you in the heart of Dutch horticultural mastery. The tulip, once the subject of wild speculation, is now a symbol of national pride and beauty. This fleeting spectacle draws visitors from around the world, all seeking the magic of the annual bloom. It's a celebration of life, a testament to the Dutch connection with nature and innovation. Pedal through rivers of color and experience the Netherlands at its most enchanting. The tulip fields are a vibrant, unforgettable highlight of Dutch spring. Next, we visit the windmills, icons of Dutch resilience and ingenuity. At Zaanse Schans, historic windmills and wooden houses recreate the Netherlands of centuries past, each mill with a unique purpose: sawing wood, grinding spices, or pressing oil. Step inside to witness the power of wind harnessed by human hands. Further south, Kinderdijk's 19 monumental windmills form a UNESCO World Heritage Site, still working to keep the land dry. Here, dikes, canals, and windmills form a delicate, functional balance, a masterpiece of water management. Walking or cycling the towpaths, you'll see reflections of these giants in tranquil waters, especially at sunrise or sunset. Zaanse Schans and Kinderdijk tell the story of a nation that tamed water and thrived. These windmills are enduring monuments to Dutch determination and innovation. From history we leap into the future: Rotterdam, a city reborn from wartime destruction. Instead of rebuilding the past, Rotterdam embraced bold, modern architecture: the elegant Erasmus Bridge, the playful cube houses, and the vibrant Markthal. The city is an open-air gallery of innovation where creativity and experimentation shape the skyline. Rotterdam's port, one of the world's largest, drives its economy and global outlook. Boat tours reveal the immense scale of modern trade and the city's hard-working spirit. Urban renewal thrives here, from rooftop farms to repurposed factories. Rotterdam is a living laboratory for design, sustainability, and community. It's a city that inspires, provokes, and looks ever forward, a beacon of creativity and progress. For a glimpse of the future, Rotterdam is unmissable. In the heart of the Netherlands lies Utrecht, a city where medieval charm meets youthful energy. Its unique two-tiered canals, once used for trade, now host lively cafes and restaurants at water level. The Dom Tower, the country's tallest, stands as a symbol of resilience. Climb its steps for sweeping city views. Utrecht's university population infuses the city with creativity and vibrancy, blending ancient architecture with modern life. Historic buildings house trendy boutiques and music venues, while quiet courtyards offer peaceful retreats. The compact center is best explored on foot, revealing hidden gardens and independent shops. Utrecht feels intimate and authentically Dutch, where history is woven into daily life. It's a city that respects its past while embracing the future. Discover Utrecht's perfect harmony of old-world charm and modern buzz. The Hague is the seat of Dutch government and home to the royal family. The historic Binnenhof, set beside the Hofwever Pond, is the world's oldest parliament still in use. The city's stately avenues and palaces reflect its regal air, while the Peace Palace stands as a global symbol of justice. The Mauritshuis Museum houses masterpieces like Vermeer's Girl with a Pearl Earring, offering an intimate art experience. Just beyond the city center, Scheveningen's sandy beach and lively pier offer a relaxed escape. The Hague's unique blend of politics, royalty, art, and seaside leisure makes it a city of contrasts. Here, grand institutions meet simple pleasures, and history is made every day. The Hague is a compelling destination at the crossroads of tradition and modern life. We retreat to Giethoorn, a village where canals replace roads and life flows at a gentle pace. Here, punter boats and wooden bridges connect charming thatched cottages, creating a fairy tale setting. The village's origins in peat extraction shaped its unique landscape. Now a haven of tranquility. Glide silently in a whisper boat, passing flower-filled gardens and mirrored waters. The surrounding Wieribbenweiden National Park is a paradise for wildlife and nature lovers. Giethoorn offers a rare escape from modern noise, a place to reconnect with nature and simplicity. Despite its popularity, it retains a peaceful storybook charm, especially in the quiet hours. Giethoorn is a reminder that sometimes the most profound journeys are the slowest. Dutch cuisine is hearty, comforting, and shaped by the land and sea. Cheese markets in Alkmaar and Gouda showcase world-famous varieties, while Stamppot, mashed potatoes with vegetables and sausage, warms the soul. North Sea fish, like raw herring and crispy kibbeling, are local favorites. Sweet treats abound. Stroopwafels, poffertjes, and oliebollen are irresistible. Dutch beer and Genever, a juniper spirit, offer a taste of local tradition. Meals are simple but full of honest flavor, reflecting Dutch pragmatism and love of quality ingredients. Food here is about comfort, community, and celebrating the everyday. Every bite tells a story of the land and its people. To understand the Netherlands, you must feel its culture. Rooted in directness, pragmatism, and gezelligheid, that unique sense of coziness and togetherness. King's Day turns the country orange in a joyful celebration of unity, while traditions like Sinterklaas and the Relief of Leiden connect past and present. Dutch creativity shines in art and design, from Rembrandt and Van Gogh to the bold innovations of De Stijl and modern Dutch design. Tolerance and open-mindedness are central values. This is the birthplace of same-sex marriage and the polder model of consensus. Festivals, art, and daily life all reflect a society that values connection, creativity, and inclusion. The Dutch welcome the world with open arms, proud of their heritage and eager to share it. Here, tradition and progress walk hand in hand. Dutch culture is a celebration of life in all its colorful forms. A few tips will help you make the most of your Dutch adventure. The euro is the currency. Cards are widely accepted, but carry some cash for markets. Most Dutch speak excellent English, but a few local phrases go a long way. Visit in spring for tulips, summer for festivals, or winter for cozy cafes. Each season has its charm. Public transport is efficient, but cycling is the true Dutch way to explore. The country is safe and punctuality is valued. Be on time and enjoy direct, honest communication. The OV chip cart makes travel seamless across trains, trams, and buses. With these tips, your journey will be as smooth as a bike ride along a canal. Why visit the Netherlands? Its magic lies in the harmony of its landscapes, culture, and people. Here, human ingenuity and nature have shaped a land of beauty and resilience. Art, from the Dutch masters to modern design, pulses through its cities and museums. The country offers endless variety. Historic cities, windswept beaches, tranquil villages, all within easy reach. The Dutch way of life is progressive, open, and deeply thoughtful about the future. It's a place of warmth and color, and gezelligheid, where every visitor is welcomed. The Netherlands is small in size but vast in heart and spirit. Come and discover its wonders for yourself. As our journey ends, we're left with memories of canals, tulips, windmills, and vibrant cities. The Netherlands reveals its magic in the details. A gabled house, a warm stroopwafel, a friendly cyclist's nod. This is a land shaped by vision, resilience, and a love of both heritage and innovation. We hope you're inspired to explore its cobbled streets and colorful fields. Thank you for joining us. Travel safely, stay curious, and subscribe for more adventures. Until our next journey together, tot ziens.